In real projects, business rules decide everything, but not theory. Hi friends, this is Praveen Amineni. In this video, I will explain a real-time ServiceNow business rule using a custom table, exactly how it works in projects. This is video 42 out of 100. Let's start. Before that, here I am created one custom table. The name is Amma Organics. Here the table is. It having the fields of number, customer name, mobile number, delivery date, delivery address, product category, quantity, unit, price per unit, total amount, order status. It includes new confirmed packet dispatch delivered cancelled and order summary. And product category includes selection of various vegetables and milk products, fruits, flowers, etc. And discount amount, it will auto calculate based on the one field to other field, final amount and order note. This is a custom table I created, and same thing and documented in this video. This is the video creating custom table from starting to ending step. I am guided in this video, and including documentation also I'm completed here. If you have any doubt, please go through this video. Let's start our topic. Now our entire question is, how do you track important field changes after a record is updated in ServiceNow or auto generate order audit message? So here the topic is, how do you track important field changes after record is updated in ServiceNow? Let's start with the here order status is there. Like that same incident from new, in progress, on hold, resolved, stopped. Like that order status is there. Because this is custom table, no? That's why I'm created according to our requirement. New, confirmed, packed, dispatched, delivered, cancelled. If we updated any order with the status new or confirmed or packed, then automatically it will show information message on the display along with the backend. So why this question is important? So management wants visibility. Auditors want proof. Support teams want history. For this type of requirement, we are doing like this. The requirement in simply is, whenever an order is updated, the system should automatically record what changed. In entire changes, whatever record is updated, what changes, the updated record will display on the table. Whenever an order is updated, the system should automatically record what changed. So nothing but CC camera. CC camera is what's the role of CC camera? It will record the everything. Same thing CC camera we are applying here. Whenever an order is updated, the system should automatically record what changed. Nothing but CC camera. So we can break the requirement into simple steps. From this requirement, we will conclude to write the code. So detect record update. First point is we need to detect record update. Then compare old value versus new value. If changed, generate audit message. Show or store the message on the display. And what are the total methods are there to do this task? Client script are there, flow designer are there, field auditing option is there, and business rules are there. So client script, but it won't be recommended because client script only work on UI, user interface only, browser end only. It won't work on the server side or back end. Flow designer, sometimes it will work, but due to the heavy structure of flow designer, it won't support it. It's not audit favorable. It's not simply content. And field auditing option is okay, but stores data not user friendly. So we can compare more easily. Let's say one company having security guard versus CC camera. What security guard will do? Security guard is nothing but client script. He will stand at front gate, checks only when user comes through user interface. Let's say front gate is a user interface, UI. So security guard will check, our client script will check the only user interface only, browser and only. But what CC camera will do? CC camera is business rule installed inside the building and watches front door, back door, emergency exit windows and everything. It will cover everything. So no matter how data enters, it is recorded. Every data is recorded here, but security guard won't. Security guard nothing but client script. Here the CCTV nothing but business rule. So business rule will record everything. So it's better to the audit trails. Best option for audit trails. And customer requirement, best option is a business rule. Coming to security guard concept, if someone enters through API import script, for example, client script won't check API's import scripts. So client script only work on user interface only, but business rule system-wide security, it will check everything, every changes, it will track the every changes. That's the important of business rule. Coming to the business rule, we have different types of business rules available before, after, async display. Among them, why after business rule is suitable for this concept? So according to our requirement, client script, it won't suitable for this requirement because UI can be bypassed, not reliable for audits. Why it's not reliable? Because client script won't record the API changes or internal changes. But before business rule only record everything. And why before business rule is not suitable for this concept? So because before business rule will work on the before data saved to database. What's the use of after business rule? After business rule is the after the data saved into the database. Then only we can apply. So user can cancel. So it won't suitable for business rule. Change may happen, never happen. Our best option is after business rule because already data is saved, the record is saved, change is confirmed. So current and previous values are accurate for the after business rule concept. Final option is after business rule. So it will capture everything like that CC camera. So it never misses. Let's start our configuration. Business rules are navigated by sys_script_list.do or through system definition, we can navigate business rule. The backend table of the business rule is sys_script_list.do. Then let's start with the new concept. The first important point is naming should be compatible with our requirement. What our requirement is track important field changes. The table is custom table, Amma Organics. Advanced options. By clicking on advanced options, we can find the much differences. When to run will highlight and advanced option will highlight. In when to run option, we have 4 types of business rules available before, after, async display. As per our requirement, we should use after business rule. And here insert, update, delete query is there. because as per our requirement, we are updating the update record. And here types of business rule available before, after async display. Before business rule is for the before the record saved to the database. After business rule concept is after the record saved to the database. I mean, according to our requirement here, to trigger actions, to create or update other records, to send notifications, changing record after update. So as per our requirement, it matches the after business rule. That's why we are using after business rule. Then using after update. After. And then click on advanced options. Here in advanced option, while clicking on it defaultly showing function execute current previous and current previous last line. The meaning of function execute current previous line is function execute tool is it's in a process, and current is record after update. Previous is record before update. The meaning of current is record after update. Previous is record before update. Then we already broken the requirement into simple steps. Here first 2 point is detect record updates. We need to give inputs to the system, or we need to give logic to the system. Then system will check the logic and give proper messages or proper responses. So first point is detect record update. We need to give input to the system. Then compare old value versus new value. So first to record update we are giving. That's why we are declaring value. Where message, where message equal to empty. The message will fill on that. Then what next step? Compare old value versus new value. So we need to compare the old value versus new value for order status. So we are using condition. If condition we are using. If current means current table. Current dot. So for this case, in the custom table, so we need to take backend value of order status. So that's why we are taking the backend value. Backend value of the order status is u underscore order underscore status. So u is the custom table meaning. Custom table starts with the u underscore. We are copying now and paste it here. Current dot u underscore record underscore update order underscore status is not equal to. This is not meaning. Previous. We are comparing values now. Previous dot u underscore order underscore status. I am giving as an input is comment for easy understanding. Compare old values versus new value. The comment. If current dot u underscore order status is not equal to previous dot u underscore order status, then what next step? If changed, generate audit message. We need to add more point here. Here, message. We are adding message. Where message came here? From here, message. That's equal to order status changed. This will come in the message form. Change it from plus. Plus means adding value. Previous. That. Current underscore order no. We need to add current underscore. Sorry. That using get display value. So display value will come along with this message. Plus 2 because 2 means new value to current. So we need to get order status is from new to confirmed. Old value is new value is confirmed, or old value is confirmed, new value is packed, like that. Or else old value is packed, new value is dispatched. Like this, it will come. Old value to new value. Like that, meaning it will come. Plus concatenation. Then current dot u underscore order underscore status dot get display value. So it will come as order status changed from previous order means order status changed from new to confirm, like that, meaning it will come. Or order status changed from confirm to packed, like that, meaning will come in the final end of the result. Then add if condition. If changed, generate write message. If message where message came, already we are given declared where message option. From that API, it's auto populating. Is not equal to is not equal to empty spaces. Then we are giving message, information message we are giving now. GS dot add info message. In the after business rule, we want to use the add error message. Before business rule only, we are using add error message, but in after business rule, we are adding the add info message. Why interview question is why we are not using add error message in after business rule? Because after business rule is the already data saved into the database. That's why we want to use the add error message. We should use add info message only. Then format the code. Then submit. Then check the table. Then select the product category in fruits. Order status to change to new. Then update. Before update, just to copy the number. Then submit. Then check the number, order number. Then change to new to be confirmed. Then update. Recheck. Here it's working the code. Order status changed from new to confirmed. Order status changed from new to confirmed. Check with business rule. Here in this condition, we are using as order status changed from previous to current. Same thing, it came here. So we'll update to packed. So from confirm to, we'll change to packed. Then update. So it changed to confirmed to packed. Then it's showing an error message like that. Information message. Order status changed from confirmed to packed. And one more time we'll check. We'll check with the now packed now. Packed to dispatch. We'll check. Update. So order status changed from packed to dispatch. It came as a information message. Like this way, we can do very easy. Just a minute. I will copy the code here. One more time, I will explain the code. Here, execute rule, current function execute rule, current previous is there no. Current is the record after update. Previous is the record before update. Then not value. Not equal to is a value changed. Because here changing from current value to previous value. That's why we are applied the not equal to. Then plus equals. Plus equals add text to existing message. Add text to existing message means here already text added in the form of error or in the form of message. It's showing a text message. Get display values is get display value. Converts internal value to readable label. Internal value means here order status internal value is confirmed packet. These are the internal values. So it will change to converts internal value to readable label. So it will convert to the readable label. gs.add info message is show message after save. So like this way we can do very easy. And then main problems we are facing is common mistakes. What are the common mistakes we can do? And for audit purposes, we should not use client script because client script won't catch APS changes and other trackings. So we should use server-side scripting. That too BusinessRules is best option. Using before instead of after. So we should not use before because already it is saved into the database. After is used for the already saved to the database changes. We should not use current data update inside the rule. In the business rule, we should not use current data update in this case. Don't forget the update checkbox. We should check update only. Good practices are we should use after business rule for tracking purpose and audit purpose. Should we use keep lightweight logic? Because if we use the complicated logic, it will slow the system. Simply, we can one rule, one purpose. For the one purpose, we should use one rule only. Don't use multiple rules. Use readable messages. You should comment your code. It means we are already done here. For writing code, we should comment. Because of these comments, if we, in the case of our absences, any urgency changes need required means other persons or other technicians are it will do changes. It shows transparent data to the client. It's the best practice. Use comments in the code. That's the best practice. So comment your code. That's it, guys. If you feel this video truly added value, you are welcome to subscribe. If not, that's perfectly okay. Thank you for your time. Wish you all the best. ServiceNow learn easy by Praveen Aminene. Thank you, guys.